Yes, my name is Adebukola Adekoya, MITPN. I'm a hospitality and tourism expert. Well, like the major thing we talk about was volunteerism. So the other things what I will just keep or will say is still for you to make yourself available to any opportunity you have. Because we find out that the youths of today, they're microwave youths who wants to be paid for every little thing. But you find out but I would just say everything is not about money. So the only encouragement I'm going to give anybody listening to this is when opportunities come to volunteer, just volunteer, and then you see what comes out of that. There are so many challenges, so many challenges. We can easily talk about insults. Can we talk about insults? Talk about discouragement. Talk about when you try to thrive and you have many issues around. So there are so many challenges, so many discouragement, so many there are so many challenges. It's just to keep at it, be focused, know where you are going, and try to improve yourselves. Try to get trained, try to empower yourself, try to but the main thing is keep being focused. Just be focused, have an end goal for yourself, and always target yourself every 5 years. In this 5 years, what am I going to achieve? In this next 5 years, what am I going to achieve? So by that helps you in the journey of life. So I think with this, all I just say is keep focused, empower yourself, train yourself, and encourage yourself that you can do